This program is designed and delivered to build an attendee's knowledge on global best practices regardless of the learner's starting point. The course covers the salient points and knowledge base as outlined and defined by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. Specifically, the areas of concentration are business and management, translating the business goals of an organization into maintenance and reliability goals. Manufacturing process reliability, ensuring that maintenance and reliability activities improve the production process. Equipment reliability, both assessing the current equipment capabilities and determining the appropriate actives necessary to ensure the equipment can deliver on its intended capabilities. Organization and leadership, ensuring a highly engaged and capable maintenance staff and team. Work management, includes in-depth discussions and exercises on maintenance activities. The lecturer of this course is John Ross. Mr. Ross is an author, a maintenance and reliability excellence guru, and an expert consultant with more than 25 years of experience. In both his permanent and consultative roles, John has had experience in process control, project management, production management, lean manufacturing, warehouse management, behavioral-based safety, process safety management, facilities management, storm management, maintenance management, industrial relations, industrial safety, environmental compliance, inventory control, preventive predictive maintenance, total productive maintenance, internal relations and employee health and safety, to name but a few. After this course, attendees will gain knowledge and practical application skills in understanding a comprehensive maintenance and reliability framework, navigating the fundamentals of change management, implementation strategies, developing a business strategy, leadership principles for managers in operations, maintenance, and engineering, budgeting fundamentals, executing work preparation and planning, scheduling maintenance activities, tools for identifying waste in work processes, performing equipment criticality analysis and work prioritization, measuring metrics and key performance indicators, the concept of risk as it relates to maintenance and reliability, calculating risk and reliability strategies for your plant or facility, applying condition-based maintenance techniques, designing for reliability and early equipment management concepts, considering reliability statistics for managers. When you are ready, please enroll in the course and get started.